Welcome back to Stock Option Trading. In this video, I'll be talking about what's going to happen after the G20 meeting and what two signals I see on the Amazon, on Apple, AMD, and NVIDIA. Okay, so on the SPX, we opened at 2800, okay, and then we didn't even go past through 2800. Through the whole trading day, we just consolidate lower and lower and lower. This is the 1 day 15-minute chart, and as you can see, the high is 2800, we never passed that, and then we just consolidate within this range. So I'm targeting the on Thursday or Friday, I'm targeting 2765. Why? Let me tell you why. After the G20 meeting, Trump and China President Xi, they did not have a deal. All they said was they're going to delay the tariff, right? So no deal, no actual deal has been made. Yes, it could be good news that they delay the tariff, but that's not a good news in the long term. So why would you buy everything on the market and make it long? No, you don't. You just take a profit and run, and then short it. So SPX, I'm targeting 2765 because with this huge gap, 50% of the time is going to be filled, and that's how the market works. It's just a matter of time. The time is on Thursday and Friday. Let me tell you why. Wednesday, we don't have market. On Thursday, we have our Fed meetings. And then Fridays, with no news or a little bit bad news, people will have the reason to sell off on Friday and don't want to hold over the weekend. And our expected move on SPX this week, or today rather, it was a 40 points move on the SPX. And then we achieved that by 30 points. But by the end of Friday, which is December 7th, we're looking at 39.13. So that could be a wipeout of what we move up today, 30 points, and then negative 9 points to the downside. Today is December 3rd. I said it. We're going to wipe this plus 30 out, and then by the end of Thursday or Friday, we'll be in the negative. I'm looking at 2765. Okay, let's take a look at SPY. On the SPY, we have been up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days. So we've been green. We've been green for 7 days. User brand. What's gonna happen next? Sales, right? So they are going to have people that are taking profit and want to short the market. Look at this, triple top, right here, and almost there. Yeah, we could potentially try to reach the previous highs again, and then comes back down. So my projection on this SPY, I don't even think we're gonna go up. I think in this week we are going to touch the 275 or below that. Let's say 274.5. This is what I draw here, 274.5 ish. This is my target for this Friday. If you have calls, you didn't lock your profit, I'm sorry, tomorrow you need to lock your profit. My outlook on SPY, let's take a look at AMD. So I did my quick research on AMD today. They have a good balance sheet looking, and then they have more cash on hand. Are those a good reason to buy AMD? I don't think so. Am I long AMD? No, I'm not. So yes, AMD jumped 10% today, and then it could go up a little bit tomorrow. By the look of the chart, there's a gap to be filled, and then it is filled. Wow, look at this, the gap filled. So the next resistance I'm looking at is right here, $25 mark. So we could have another small push up to the upside, and then on Thursday, I'm gonna get a $20 AMD put, and I'm gonna sell it on Friday or sell it on Thursday end of the day. I guarantee you that AMD is going to come back down to $22 mark by the end of Friday. So that's my outlook on AMD. Not like I hated anything, it's just that it gotta come down. So let's look at NVIDIA. Yeah, there's a gap to be filled, but we are still trading within my trendline range. And if you look at this, we went out of the trendline and we came right back in. So with this big rally to the upside, NVIDIA shows a red candle, and then I think NVIDIA is going to come back down to 160 mark in this week. So yeah, gap is almost failed, but we failed. So we have to retest the lows again, and then maybe potentially come back up. So my outlook on NVIDIA, if we have any puts on NVIDIA, congrats, because everything in the aftermarket right now is tanking. Let's take a look at Amazon. Get an Amazon put. Guarantee you Thursday free money. Look at this. Amazon, we rallied more than 200 points, $200. So again, Amazon with the huge market rally, we see a small red signal, and that's not good. We cannot pass the $17.75 mark, and then we shot back down, and now we close at $17.72. So in the short term, Amazon is going to come back to the 0.382 right here. So I'm targeting Amazon 1720. Get a 1700 put. I guarantee you on Thursday or Friday you will be in the money and some nice profit. But if your contract expires Friday, I strongly suggest you to sell your contract on Thursday. Never hold your contract on the last day of the expiration date. Let's take a look at Apple. For Apple, again, bearish, very bearish signal to me right here. Yeah, we gapped up. And what is this? 181, 184. Okay, for Apple, I am going to have a bearish outlook because we did not break this 0.236 area, and now we came back in. There's a gap to be filled. So in the meantime, I'm targeting Apple 180. Should be tomorrow or Thursday. Yeah, today was a nice breakout to the upside, but everything just started fading away. And then if you look at the aftermarket on the SP 500 future, right now we're down about $5, and this is Sunday morning we gapped up, and then after trading hour at 6. So yeah, it's gonna be either a flat day tomorrow or very choppy day tomorrow, and then until Thursday red, Friday red. Thank you for watching, have a great day, and make sure to like and subscribe.